Okay. This is not the sweet boy Joeboy that we've seen before. Blaqbonez is Kekbe is doing this to Joeboy. The Joeboy of yesterday that we used to know. Next track, Fendi. The Joeboy. Okay? What are we saying?
Killing like the way you bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it. I feel by you Fendi, bend.
Or Fendi like it's Fendi. I'm sure he's gonna use that line somewhere. I'm sure he's going to.
Bend it, bend it, bend it. I feel by you Fendi, 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 Fendi. When you whine up,
Okay.
like I admire for your matter, Odinaka.
Hey. Okay. This is a dope bounce, bro. What? Hey. Come on. This is sweet. Nah, Joeboy is gonna bless this. I know Joeboy is gonna bless this, man. Hey.
She wanna give it to me nice and slow. She wanna feel it so deep in her soul.
Okay. Joeboy is out here being a menace, okay? This is not the sweet boy Joeboy that we've seen before. Blaqbonez is Kekbe is doing this to Joeboy. The Joeboy of yesterday that we used to know, that was so sweet and tender. Now he's coming here with he's gonna deep it in. Like what are you talking about, Joeboy? What do you know about that, Joeboy? Come on, look at how bad influence has corrupted him already, man.
She wanna give it to me nice and slow. She wanna feel it so deep in her soul. She wanna until I feel it in my body. She wanna me like a bow. Make me want to own her. Fight for all I sold. Give her all my rapper. I can pull her to my runner. Make her my commander. Carry a matter. Lagos to Kyola. Nobody over you.
This is a hard ass Joeboy record, man. Like a Joeboy verse. Like I'm actually very impressed with his persona on this one, man. It's definitely not the same old Joeboy that we knew, and I love that he's blending into the spirit of this album, Sex Over Love. He's not coming here with that lovey-dovey type narrative. He's coming here with that spirit and that atmosphere of Omeka the Stallion. You know, that kind of promiscuous kind of energy, you know, that Yoruba demon energy, and he's tapping into that, man. I'm here for it, bro.
Make my commander, carry a matter from Lagos to Kyola, nobody over you.
Hey.
You feel like I'ma put up on you. Then feel with the potential. Anything you want, I got that for you.
Okay.
As long as I say that you killing like the way you bend it.
Now this bounce is dope, bro.
Bend it, I feel
Oje? Okay. Okay. Hey. Let's go. Come sit down on a bad man. Okay, I hear it. This is dope. Come, who taught Blaqbonez how to sing? Who did? Because he's actually very, very impressive on this. Like over the initial track that we looked at, Don't Touch, and now this, bro. Come on, Blaqbonez. I love when people actually can show other sides, other skill sets that they have on an album, and not do it in a way that your hip hop fans or the people that have loved you for a particular style of music can come in here and actually appreciate it, because it doesn't look like you're half-assing it. It feels like you're a student of the game, or at least you've done it to the point where it doesn't feel gimmicky. It doesn't feel like you're trying hard to sound that way. It feels natural to him, and to have someone like Joeboy on the record with him, and for him to be blending seamlessly with Joeboy on the record, bro, like props to Blaqbonez for that, man.
I wanna put it up on you, from your head to the floor. I wanna make them a dog. But if you flip this week, she get the ginger. She's color, but she shake it like a street bar. Me, I'm a rapper and a singer. He said, make her this stallion, nice to meet ya.
Mad. This might be your favorite. This might be my favorite, bro. This just might be my favorite song so far. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nah, this has amazing commercial. This has amazing commercial potentials, man. It's casting again, like I said, it's casting a very wide net with this album. He's showing you everything. He's bringing everything to the table here. Okay. Let's finish up the record. Oh shit. Come to the another bad man. Dope man. Fendi with Joeboy. One would think Joeboy will come here and have the hook, and so become like a rapper, hook verse kind of thing. But no, this is not what I was expecting. This wasn't what I was expecting. Blaqbonez was confident enough to be on the hook of the same song that Joeboy is on. That's very confident of him. And having Joeboy just have a one verse. By the way, Joeboy having a strong voice, a strong verse here, and I actually really love this record, man. I think it really tapped into the essence of the album too, in a way, because you're coming there with this narrative of like, I'm just gonna be that bad boy, like that bad boy Black, you know, like, 'cause again, American Stallion is the same as bad boy Black in a way, but anyway, I'm here for it. Fendi, Joeboy, amazing record, bro.